Hi friends, welcome back. Right now we're gonna do a little bit of adaptation with the lentil soup that we cook for our whole family. I'm gonna implement it into my meal. This is how I usually eat throughout the week to make sure I have enough protein in my plate, to make sure I have bouillon, and to make sure I have my good fats. Okay, so we're gonna be cooking our protein. We're gonna hydrate this TVP. It has a nice content of protein, very clean, no fat. I like to boost my lentils up with it. We're just gonna leave it in here to hydrate a little bit, and then we'll come back in it in a minute to season it. We're gonna chop this zucchini to add nice bouillon so you can fulfill with your meal. Pack it up with some nutrients. I usually can eat a whole zucchini myself, but if you are not into the zucchini vibe, you can use another type of veggie to add volume. Cauliflower rice works very well as well with this soup. So what I try to do throughout the week, because we are very busy with the homeschooling and with the extracurricular activities, I don't want to be cooking a separate meal for myself, like a whole big meal for myself, and then another one for the children. So what I do is I use their base, whatever I cook for the whole family, I use that, and then I add my veggies and my protein and my healthy fats to my own plate so I don't load myself with too many carbohydrates or too little protein. Okay, so now I hydrate it with a splash of water because it's very crispy. It has very little flavor to it. So whatever season you put in it, that's gonna be it. So like I say, this is mainly for the protein intake purposes. The children don't really like the texture of it, but I came to love it. I came to love it. It was kind of like a love-hate relationship at the beginning, but I eat it even when it's crispy and dehydrated. I didn't put any oil in it because I would like to use my avocado for the fat content on my plate, so I don't want any more unnecessary oil in it. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready to add the zucchini once that dried up, the water that I hydrated on. The spices that I put on are already in there as well. I usually like my zucchini on the raw side. If you would like to cook it more, you can always steam it when you hydrating the TVP. You can put it all together from the beginning, but I don't like saggy, sad zucchini. I like it nice and crispy. Okay, now we're gonna add the lentils that we cook for the whole family. Because it's already loaded with carbohydrates, I'm not gonna add any more carbs. It has butternut squash, it has carrots, it has potatoes, so it's pretty loaded. So I did like about half of a cup of lentils, and I'm gonna mix it all up. If you want it more soupy, like I do, we'll add some more water, we'll adjust the salt. I like it spicy. I like it a little bit of kick in it. So I'm gonna put some cayenne pepper. It's somewhere in here, and if it's not. So I ran out of cayenne pepper, so I'm just gonna use my best bud in here, habanero. Just a little bit of it, because it has a nice kick to it. I'm gonna turn back on the heat. So now that it's ready, we're gonna serve it. To be honest with you, I can eat the whole serving because I only put half of a cup of lentils. And like I say, it's already packed with carbohydrates from the butternut squash, from the potato, from the carrots, not so much, but the lentils itself has a lot of carbohydrates too. So we're trying to balance it out with all of this protein from the TVP and the bouillon from the squash. So it's a fulfilling dish. It's not gonna all fit in there. Okay, so I'm gonna put the final touch, which is my healthy fat, to have a balanced meal. We have lots of bouillon, we have nice amount of carbohydrates, we have a fully pack of protein, and now we're gonna put our healthy fat on top. I'm Colombian, I'm gonna put a lot of cilantro on it. Just gonna chop it with my own hands to release that flavor. This is gonna be delicious. So for those busy mamas out there that wanna have everything done for the children and for their family, but also take care of themselves while at it, this is gonna be a great meal. Ready to try this out to see how it came out. Zucchini very crispy, a nice kick from the habanero, soupy how I like it. Love it. You all need to try this out. It's gonna be very fulfilling. It's gonna keep you energized, full from it for a very long time, and it's gonna meet all of your nutrient requirements when you're trying to achieve a specific fitness goal. In this particular case, losing some weight. So if you pair it with a nice exercise next to it, it's gonna be fantastic. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, give me some likes, subscribe to follow along. And yeah, until next time, keep sharing love and serving well. See you.